The surgeon begins by making a linear incision over the pip joint. A saw is used to resect the head of the proximal phalanx. It is important to also resect the base of the middle phalanx down to subchondral bone to ensure adequate engagement of the screw. A guide wire is used to manually find the central canal in the proximal and middle phalanx. Using the drill portion of the drill driver tool, the proximal phalanx is drilled to the first laser line. The drill driver tool is then drilled through the middle and distal phalanx and out the end of the toe, leaving the driver portion in the pip joint. The driver is left in the joint to later engage the screw. Using the extra driver in the kit, the screw is inserted into the proximal phalanx until the distal threads touch the bone. The driver end of the drill driver tool is then used to engage the head of the screw. While holding the middle phalanx steady, the screw is turned counterclockwise into the middle phalanx until 2/3 of the distal threads are engaged. The surgeon then turns the screw clockwise to compress the joint. The opposing threads on the screw will cause the joint to come together for optimal compression. The driver is then removed, and the incision is closed, and a compressive dressing is applied.